Have you ever wondered what's really behind the power that lights up your world? The moment you press a button, flip a switch, or plug in a charger, something amazing happens, something you can't see. But it's there, all around us, running through walls, flying through cables, even dancing in the air during a storm. It's one of the most powerful forces on Earth, invisible, unstoppable, and completely essential to life as we know it. We don't often stop to think about it, but imagine your world without it. No lights, no screens, no music, no communication, no progress. It would feel like we've hit the pause button on everything, and yet, it's so effortless, so instant. We rely on it every single day, to connect, to create, to dream, and to move forward. What's truly wild? It was never invented. It was discovered, found in nature long before we ever harnessed it. For centuries, it was a mystery, but when we finally unlocked its secret, everything changed. It sparked an explosion of invention, innovation, and imagination. It became the heartbeat of our modern world. From lighting up cities to launching rockets, from streaming music to performing life-saving surgeries, this invisible force touches every part of our lives, and we've only scratched the surface. Every wire, every circuit, every device is just another way we've learned to guide it, shape it, and work with it. But it's more than just energy. It's potential. It's a symbol of what happens when curiosity meets knowledge. When humans ask, "What if?" and then go out to find the answer. It teaches us that even the tiniest sparks can lead to the biggest breakthroughs. So, the next time you turn something on, pause for a moment. Think about the journey from the forces of nature to the palm of your hand. That simple act is a result of centuries of exploration, discovery, and brilliance. Because the real power isn't just in the current that flows, it's in the minds that dared to capture it. And maybe, just maybe, the next big idea, the next revolution, will start with your curiosity. If that lit a spark in you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future, it's electric. Stay curious, stay inspired, stay switched on.